Passport. Joko, are you happy? Where's your passport? Huh? Okay, unboxing the passport. Saan ba to? Yee! Joko, what's this? Oh, Joko looks so curious. What's this? Record Joko's reaction instead of me.
Here,
Look.
this side.
Oh, what's this? Huh? What's this? Can
Is
you
that
smell?
yours?
Yes, this is mine. Wow. Gold siya, and then sa likod, meron palang red na accent. Ayan. Yee. Hopefully, tama lahat ang details. Ayan, may picture ako. Tapos, let's see the spelling. Canadian nationality.
Wow.
Hanggang 2036.
Ayan.
Ayan. Yee. Passport. Yes. Joko, what can you say?
Look at mommy's passport. She's licking it.
Okay. Yee, Canadian. Mwah.